Welcome to this BoldDesk AI agent tutorial. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the BoldDesk AI agent within your WhatsApp business account to efficiently manage customer queries automatically. Check out the video linked in the card above or the description below to create your first AI agent in BoldDesk. I have my Tech Assist AI agent set up. To use it in WhatsApp conversations, navigate to the Admin Center, open the chat module, and then go to the Channels section. Here you will see a list of social channels. Open the WhatsApp section, choose the Meta Cloud API, and click Manage to open the Accounts List page. You can map an AI agent when adding or editing existing accounts. On the Chats section, enable the AI agent assistance and choose the handover method. The Auto Assign to AI Agent option automatically assigns customer conversations to the AI agent upon creation, while the Manual Handover option manually transfers chat conversations to the AI agent using the chat workflows. Click Save to update the changes. It's important to note that a single WhatsApp account can only be linked to one AI agent. Now, when customers submit queries via the WhatsApp business account, an AI agent will promptly join the conversation and respond to their inquiries. If you found this video helpful, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel for more exciting updates. Thanks for watching.